Thinking about deleting your DeepSeek AI account permanently? Whether it's for privacy, security, or simply because you no longer need it, I'll show you exactly how to remove your account step by step. Open the DeepSeek AI app on your phone and ensure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Tap the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you can see your chat history and other options. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom of the menu. This will take you to the profile settings page. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page until you find the Delete Account option. Tap Delete Account, and a confirmation message will appear, explaining that deleting your account will erase all your data, forfeit any unused balance, and block access to DeepSeek services. If you're sure, confirm by tapping Delete, and your account will be permanently removed. The app will log you out automatically. Optional. After deletion, you can uninstall the DeepSeek app if you no longer need it. Your DeepSeek AI account is now deleted. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.